Not much magic. So I just go the same route.
Yeah, you can just front, yeah, like the one we did just now.
So there was the intake then. I'm not sure just now if I heard, but when it goes to 3k RPM, the intake sound changes.
Oh, okay.
Can like try. You get it? It went from
oh, okay, yeah. Nice.
Left, right?
Left.
So if you drive it normally, it's actually very soft.
Yes,
It's not much sound.
yeah.
But then when you do spirited driving or the exhaust sound, just so it's like the perfect daily driver.
Yeah, correct. The size, maintenance, everything. Okay.
Where do I make a U-turn?
Just in front. Yeah, just keep driving. There will be a U-turn sign coming up.
So I'm really happy to drive a manual. Like the only time I've driven a manual was when I was
Learning how to
drive.
Yeah, same. Exactly. Yeah, that was wow. I don't know how many years ago. Yeah. Then the other time was Focus ST after I don't know how many years or so. Yeah.
So I was really desperately looking for a manual car to buy and to drive. I finally found one.
Hey, this D3. Okay, you drive first.
Gear 2, it's more than enough power. Okay, you were asking?
Oh, at this D3, is there any other manual car that's fun to drive? Doesn't have to be like a hatchback, can be anything.
I'm not very sure.
Not very sure.
At this D3, because it's a new car, like
sorry, not
not a COE car.
Not this DP, as in like the 6000 kind of DP, like COE Swift, Swift Sport.
I don't think there is anything else. Probably the FN2 Type R. I think that was the closest.
Now it's about 8000 maybe?
6.5, 6.6 you can get.
Okay.
That's why I was actually contemplating that also, but it's a 2 liter, so maybe
a bit higher.
the road tax, insurance.
Yeah, insurance also definitely help performance.
Yeah, that's why I didn't go with that in the end.
I see.
Because this is still technically my first car that I've owned.
I see.
That I pay. So I didn't really want to.
Yeah, you shouldn't also lah.
Yeah.
I think a wise choice to get something, a bit more affordable.
It's a crazy bike on the road. So one more round?
One more is fine. Maybe you at the front there, you can all the way to the end. You just drive all the way to the end. Then you can, then we can come back again.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
pedal position is also very perfect for rev matching. It's just nice.
Betul.
It's just nice.
Often?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, nice.
I think
chance to practice.
the reason why I wanted a manual is to
do that,
play with this kind of stuff.
I see.
If not, I think it'll be a skill that's like forgotten.
Yeah, that's true.
But I'm not very good at it.
For me, I don't even have a chance to practice, so I don't. Yeah.
Because I haven't been track before, I haven't done a track day, blah blah. So not that good in rev matching, but.
I mean, it's just for fun.
Yeah, just for fun,
only.
correct.
You're not going competition or what, it's fun.
Exactly.
Yeah. But are you interested in like trying drifting or?
I want to,
Yeah.
but not with this F
Of course,
front-wheel drive car.
Okay.
It's one of my bucket list to
Bucket list.
feel going sideways in a car.
Ah.
Then my friend told me that you can try the
Oh, actually, you can go sideways.
The-
Just wet road, you just go first. Also can go sideways.
my friends were telling me the motor show you can like that Ross Swift guy, I think the
one that ring
Subaru.
the WRX, right?
Yeah,
Ah,
like
okay.
you can try sitting in his car, then
Oh,
he'll
I see.
bring you around.
Oh, okay. You have to pay lah.
I'm not sure, like, maybe
Sure.
ballot or something.
Oh, okay.
This is my friend that's working in Subaru told me lah. It's like
You get your BRZ, you can do that.
maybe in a not so crowded
So,
place.
Yeah, oh, okay, perfect. At the roundabout there.
Provided if I don't crash.
No, that should be fine lah.
Is it here?
Turn here.
It handles very well.
Yep. Awesome, man.
Alright.